So track pipe is a corrugated stainless steel tubing, which in its unique benefit is flexible, so it bends by hand. So it takes a lot of the barriers of entry away in helping one focus in accomplishing an objective, which would be to move gas through the pipeline to cooking, water heating, or whatever. The main issue obviously is safety. Whenever you compromise the integrity of a pipe, mechanical integrity, you're compromising the safety, which leads to potential for gas leak. And as any gas installer knows, leaks aren't good because we're creating an explosive environment. So the simplicity in working with the pipe is where we, in my opinion, achieve a higher degree of safety. The complexity in the pipe is in the engineering, which is taken care of by the OEM, the original equipment manufacturer. So from an engineering standpoint, it's a very complicated pipe in the manufacturing process. And what I really liked about the pipe, it gets tested 100% before we turn around and we get it or we supply it to our customers. So from an integrity standpoint, we really look at guaranteeing safety, and we'll never compromise on safety.
The product that has been nominated is a glass tube flame heater. In simple terms, a patio heater which has been redesigned, rejuvenated from a traditional umbrella style patio heater which was very sore to the eye. So many people had the use for it but would hide it in the furthest corner of their patio just to get the heat from it. What we decided to do is to look at something more innovative where a consumer would like to put it in the front or in the middle of their patio, being pleasant to the eye and being appealing to all the visitors that they are entertaining on their patio. So we designed a beautifully pyramid-shaped heater with a long glass tube. The flame of the heater gets thrown and is visible through the glass tube. It throws itself up through the patio and it's visible all the time that the heater is on. It still gives as much heat as a normal patio heater would, but it gives you that pleasantness to the eye. The product has been well received throughout the market, especially in the hospitality industry.
The unit we're entering is our remote controlled designer fireplace. It's made out of premium stainless steel 304. When you're wanting to create one or more fireplaces where we can actually integrate the electronics to operate as one unit. So the switching on, the switching off, the adjustment of the unit actually creates an environment where it actually works all together in synchronicity. It's got a nice little battery backup and just taking normal 2AA batteries which are obtainable anywhere. And obviously if the power outage is out, you can obviously just run the unit. An adjustment where you can actually set the temperature in the room and the unit will automatically, by means of thermostatic control, will obviously operate. The unit has a number of safety features, one being the standard ODS system, which is a requirement for flueless systems. The purpose of that is that as a room gets to required oxygen level or a restricted oxygen level, the system will automatically shut down, including the gas supply. Another nice feature on the unit is obviously the child lock system, so that young kids and they don't get the opportunity to play around, specifically being a remote control. They don't just play and touch, so they can actually, the user can lock the child out totally of utilizing the system. It gives the customer a very easy, cost-effective solution to actually warm up their homes.